because I am receiving no response. And guys, you need to be confident and assertive in the session. Okay, because this session is organized for you guys to speak. Yes, Vajiha.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. So
Well,
yes, we can hear you.
okay. So would you like to tell me about yourself? What do you do? And what subject, if you are a teacher, what subject do you teach?
I'm not a teacher right now, but I'm interested in teaching. I am basically from engineering background. I have done MS Mechanical Engineering, and I'm looking for a job in teaching sector currently.
So why you want to become a teacher? You know, it's one of the most stressful job to teach.
Actually, it is the only choice I have right now because I am based in Faisalabad.
Okay. So
And
you
there's
are,
no opportunity for mechanical
okay,
engineers in Faisalabad right now.
you need to move to, you need to move in Karachi, where you will find many opportunities from different, in different sectors, not in teaching. Okay, so you will find job in any kind of field in Karachi.
Yes, that's right. But I'm interested right now. I'm applying for teaching
job.
and math
Perfectly
and
fine.
physics subjects.
Math and physics. Okay, you are interested in teaching math and physics. My God,
Yes, sir.
very arduous subjects for me. Yeah, okay. Anyway, I was talking to someone who teaches science. Okay, guys. So let me start. Actually, now I'm gonna start. Only 1 minute is remaining. Okay, then I will at 10:30. So inshallah, I will start this session. And actually, this is not our proper language class. It's just an orientation class. I will tell you what I'm going to teach you throughout this session, means throughout this course, which will last for a month. Okay, it's a month lasting course. So, but before I get into that, before I talk about the salient features of this course, I would like to ask you some questions, okay, about pertaining to English language. So, and I would like to direct my question to the teachers who teach at school. For example, if you teach in class, what kind of difficulties and constants do you face when it comes to English language? Means, do you face difficulties from a grammar perspective, from vocabulary perspective? Anyone can tell me, please?
From my side, it's grammar.
Okay.
I usually face difficulties in grammar.
Okay. So you need to master grammar as well. Okay. And
Exactly.
okay, you have government adequate vocabulary. You can use that. But when it comes to grammar, so you are in difficulty. Anyway, okay. Next one. Anyone else who want to answer my question? Snober, would you like to say something about that? Actually, okay, the other participants are joining. Actually, the thing is that I will tell you one thing. The essence of this course is to engage you only in conversation, okay, along with a little bit grammar as well. But the main purpose of this course is to bring you fluency and to make you fluent speaker of English language. Means that you will be able to speak with assertiveness without letting shyness and hesitation overtake you. Okay, are you getting me, guys? So I will try my level best to contribute my knowledge to you from language perspective, especially fluency perspective. So inshallah, if you just remain persistent learner and you stay regular student and punctual student, so you will enjoy the fruit of this course. Okay. However, in case please keep yourself muted, guys. Okay, thank you so much. Ms. Sadaf Qureshi, you need to be muted, please. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so I was talking about the objectives of this course. So basically, this course is designed to just bring language fluency to you guys. So inshallah, I will teach you different things that will help you to develop your language skills from speaking perspective. Okay. But on this platform, you can speak with assertiveness, with confidence. So, but there are two things which you need to do. First of all, you have to be punctual and you have to be regular. Because if you don't attend my class on regular basis, so you are likely to face the brunt of that and means, you will not enjoy the fruit of this course. Okay, so you need to be punctual and you need to be regular. And secondly, whatever I will teach, I will record this meeting. That I'm just recording this meeting, this session as well. Okay, so that I will put on my YouTube channel, so you can get the recording from my YouTube channel. Okay, I will share the link of that channel with you guys after following the class. Okay, so inshallah, our course will start from coming week on the 1st September. Actually, I am conducting different courses nowadays, so I don't have time. But for you guys, I have designed this course that will start inshallah on 1st September. The timing would be from 10:30 to 11:30, and the class will take place 4 days a week. Okay, that will cover multiple words, vocabulary, grammatical structures, and we will have multiple topics for discussion. Okay, we will converse on different topics that will help you to develop your language skills along with assertiveness. Okay. So if you have any question, please do ask me before I move forward, before I proceed. If you have any question, please do ask me. Actually, I can understand, whenever you have to speak in English, you are likely to face many teaching troubles, which you need to get over that. Okay, because sometimes that stand in your way of speaking language.
Actually, I wanted to ask one question. Your
Yeah, go
main focus will be grammar
No,
or conversation?
no. Grammar won't be my main focus. Okay, that is not the essence of this course. The essence of this course that you should speak fluently. Okay, because of most of you are teachers. Okay, and you have adequate prior knowledge of grammar. So I don't think so that would be useful thing to just review the grammar rules again, and we start from very basic thing. We start from very grassroots. I'm not going to do that. So we will focus. We will aim, at fluency. That would be the essence of this course, which we will focus on. Any other question?
Yes, I want to ask a question.
Yeah, yes, Samrin, go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum.
Sir, actually, I want to ask you that will you give us some topics to discuss while having a class, or to write something like as a teacher? I feel that I'm not an English teacher, but I feel that I cannot write something in a very better way. So I want to improve my writing skills. So will you give us some task for writing something, or only fluency in speaking would be the appropriate motive for your class?
Okay, let me tell you something. Actually, as far as the spoken is concerned, so you will have to speak spontaneously. I won't give you any topic prior to the class. I will give you a topic in the middle of the class. You have to prepare. I will give you some time, 4 to 5 minutes. You have to prepare yourself within 4 to 5 minutes, and you will deliver that topic which I will give you. However, as the second part of your question that you asked me about the written English. Okay, so actually I won't focus on that. However, if you need, I can give you a topic and I can check your work. Okay, so that will help you to improve your written language. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank
and
you.
even I can give you topic for for writing. You can write down 70, 100 word, whatever I will schedule for you. Then I will check your work. I will rectify your mistake. I will give you feedback. Okay, by doing so, inshallah, that will help you to improve your written skills in English language.
Okay,
Any other
thank you so
question?
much. Thank you.
Okay, but as far as the
Sir,
scope,
someone
yeah, just give me a second.
someone have messaged in WhatsApp chat that they can hear you.
They can't hear me. Actually, they have to click on mic. Okay, whenever you enter the meeting, you have to click on the mic. I think they did not click on the mic. That's why you can't hear me. Let me just listen.
Can I ask a question, please?
Yeah, Sabah Usman, go ahead.
Yeah, so actually I wanted to ask that are you going to provide us the link or whatever you're going to share in the session? Are you going to provide us that material, or is it going to be on a discussion?
No. Okay, you will be given each and everything, especially the vocabulary. Okay, so as I mentioned to you earlier, that I will put the recording on my YouTube channel. Secondly, I will share the Word document with you guys on my WhatsApp group. Okay, so that will consist of all the words which you will learn in the session.
Thank you, sir.
We are going to learn very advanced vocabulary. We are not going to learn mundane words which we use typically in our conversation. Okay, so that will help you to develop your language. And even if you want to appear in IELTS exam, that will help you in IELTS exam as well. If you look forward to going abroad, okay, for USA, Canada, or Australia in future, so this course inshallah will definitely help you.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum salam. Yes, is any?
Yes, sir. I want to ask.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, just tell us about yourself. What are you doing and what have you done and what makes you like teach this course?
That's a very intriguing question you asked me. Okay, basically, I am a student. I am doing FL from University of Karachi. Besides that, I have been a teacher for last 6 to 7 years. Nowadays, I am teaching at IB School that is located in Clifton. And I have been teaching English language for last 4 to 5 years. But however, since pandemic started last year, so just I switched from physical to online. So I have been conducting session for different students and different teachers, okay, across the spectrum of the world. That was the main motive that which pushed me to start teaching English language. Okay, so I found many teachers complaining about the language fluency. Actually, it's a very super important to master spoken language if you want to get a better job. English, I can guarantee you that I have appeared in different schools, okay, well-known prestigious schools. The first thing they want to see in the candidate is your fluency. They won't ask you about your subject skills, whether you have adequate knowledge of your subject skills or not. That comes second. What comes first is your language skills, how you communicate with them in English language effectively. Okay, so this course particularly is designed to improve your communication skills, which you can use during interview. Any other question? I can see many teachers, but they are totally silent. Okay, if you have any question, please direct it to me. I will try my level best to just respond to that question. Any other question, please ask me.
Is
Okay.
it possible to provide us the material before having a class, so then we can go through with the material, whatever you have a plan to teach on that particular day? So before joining your class, isn't it better to read that material?
Yeah, exactly. That's fine. Okay, I will execute this idea. Okay, and I will share the material prior to the class. However, the students are always a student, whether they are teachers. Okay, no one will read that. Because I have experience.
But I would like to read it before joining your class.
That's great. But you are very hardworking. But it's my overall experience. I have done before that as well. When I conducted this session 3 to 4 months ago, so I used to share each and everything prior to the session. However, when the session started, so I asked the teachers, okay, you have done, so most 90% no, sir, we were busy, okay, doing home chores, all that stuff. We didn't find enough time to just go through this material. Okay, anyway, even I will share, no problem. It's not a bad idea. I will share prior to the session. You can go through that. When you will come to the session, you can come prepared, okay, and try to just be able to use all the words in conversation. As I mentioned earlier, that you are not going to use the mundane words, typical words, okay, and you don't have to be taciturn in the class. Do you know the meaning of a taciturn? Taciturn means the person.
Sorry.
Taciturn. Okay, let me write in the chat. Taciturn means, okay, today I am writing in the chat, but from tomorrow I will just write each and everything, in Word file, so that I will share with you as well. Okay, but taciturn means the person. Walaikum salam. Taciturn means the person who speaks very little. Okay, who prefers to be silent, who doesn't want to speak. That is called taciturn person. And it's the opposite of chatty. Chatty means the person who speaks a lot. Okay. So when it comes to you guys, you need to be chatty in the session. You don't have to be taciturn. Okay, you are females. I know you can speak a lot. Okay, yes, Anusha. You are raising the hand. Do you have any question?
Yes, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead. Ask me.
I was just concerned, like I had this point in my mind that what benefits you giving this course for free?
Oh, okay. You want to say that what kind of benefits I will enjoy, or what kind of benefits you gonna enjoy out of this session?
You. What kind of benefits? Obviously, we will be having so many benefits.
Okay.
But what are the benefits that you will enjoy?
It is very tantalizing. Exactly, it's a very tantalizing because I think you are coming from a politics background. You seem to be. You have got some kind of antecedent. What is it? Okay.
No.
Okay.
I have no political background, but yeah, I do have exposure to the politics, so maybe
that's why you are using that. Actually, okay. First of all, I will tell you, I have had very busy and hectic schedule. But whenever you start and you organize this kind of course, now ultimately you learn a lot of things. Okay, unconsciously. Okay, firstly, that I can have an interaction with many people, so that will build my confidence as well. Okay, for example, if I have to attend any kind of international conference, international seminar, so that so these session will help me at that time. Okay, so I won't face the fear of public speaking. Right? This is the biggest advantage which I can enjoy out of this session. Nothing else.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone else?
Okay.
Okay, Anusha, you didn't tell me about yourself. What do? You are a teacher or you are a student?
I am a teacher. I have just joined teaching in a school. So yeah, I
Okay,
am a
so
teacher.
you are not a veteran teacher. You are a new teacher.
No, I have been teaching for I guess 1.5 years in a different city, but I just moved Karachi 3 to 4 months back.
Where were you?
So
Where were you before you moved in Karachi?
I was in Hyderabad.
Oh, okay. Latifabad, I think you used to live over there.
No, not in Latifabad. I was in Sadar.
Okay, you were in Sadar. Even Hyderabad has Sadar, like Karachi.
Yes, even yes. Just like Karachi, Hyderabad has Sadar as well. Yeah.
Okay. So some other Haris is raising the hand. Yes, you have any question? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, Mariam Haris. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Mariam Haris. I just want to know that what would be the course outline, like how long it will be going to take, and what would be the time duration, so that we can manage our day. That this is the question I want to ask.
Okay, I think you have just joined and I mentioned each and everything in the beginning of the session. Let me just repeat my words. Actually, the duration of the entire course is 1 month. Okay, so you are going to have this course for a month, and the session will take place 4 days a week from Monday till Thursday, and the timing would be from 10:30 till 11:30, and we will cover multiple topics, and each and everything will be shared with you guys on YouTube and on WhatsApp group as well. Got it?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, anyone else who want to ask me any question?
Yes, sir. Will it be Maqsad daily? Because we were told that our classes will be in alternate days.
No. It would be from Monday till Thursday daily. Okay, from 10:30 to 11:30. Okay, I think this time suits everyone. Miss Sadaf Qureshi is ready. Miss Sadaf Qureshi, yes. Yeah, Miss Sadaf Qureshi, what is your question? Walaikum salam. Yes.
There are a number of people, so how will they be able to communicate on the same topic?
Yeah, that was my question exactly. I was asking.
Okay, you know.
Hello. Second thing is that.
Yes.
Will there be any testing?
That's a very good. Okay. As far as your first part is concerned, you need to dominate the meeting. Okay, try not to let others speak. Try to speak yourself. Okay, so that will give you the advantage. Even though there are multiple students, so that's something that can build your confidence. Okay, in the presence of a huge number of the teachers. Okay, number one, because I know that when it comes to public speaking, so most of these are vulnerable to shyness and hesitation. Okay, so most of them won't speak. This is what I don't want you guys. Okay, you have to speak, please. Okay, otherwise you won't enjoy the benefit of this course. And secondly, there won't be any test. Okay, it's a private school. I admit everyone. Okay. Yes.
Private or government?
No, it's a private school. A private school
focuses on testing.
But private schools charge a very heavy amount, and we cannot pay that, as we have joined being a free student. So don't tell that it's a private institution.
No. Miss Sadaf Qureshi, actually, you asked me that the private schools they conduct test as well. They conduct a test. I know that the admission test, but the so-called admission test. Okay, put some money in their pocket, you will be passed. Yes, Hania Amin.
Yes, sir. That is just a formality.
A formality. Because I know now I have been to different schools. It's just a formality. Even the student doesn't know each and anything, he will be admitted in the school. Yes, Hania Amin. You are raising the hand and okay, Mariam Haris, you are asking me why don't you make groups? Okay. Actually, I think I have only 1 hour. Okay. If I split you into different groups, so for example, in case I divide you into 2 groups, so I think you can, each group can have a class twice a week. Okay, can attend a class twice a week. Okay, so others group will attend a class twice a week. So you won't be able to attend the class 4 days a week. I think that won't serve your interest and your objectives, which I have to out of this course. Okay, and Nushin Khalil, you are raising the hand. Yes, go ahead, Ania. Please come on by. Yes, Nushin Khalil, what is your question? Nushin Khalil, would you like to ask me something? You are raising the hand. I can't hear you if you are speaking. Okay, Hani Amin, you have a question, please ask me.
Sir, your mic is muted. We can't hear you.
Okay, sorry. Thank you so much. Okay, Nushin Khalil, you are raising the hand. Yes, what is your question? Please ask me.
So actually, I want to ask you, and especially all the participant of this meeting, that suppose if I have an interview tomorrow, and I have an experience of 7 years in the educators school, but I want to leave from there and I want to switch on my job for the admin side. So definitely tomorrow I will call the another school, and definitely everyone will ask me why I leave the school from the previous experience. So what to do? Which type of answer I would reply there?
Okay, it's a very interesting question, intriguing question. Is there anyone who is very veteran teacher who means who faced this
Yes,
problem?
I would like to give the
Sir, may
answer.
I?
Okay, one by
Yes.
Okay, Maria, would you like to answer? Maria, you want to answer? Maria?
Yes, I want to answer if you allow me, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Ask. Yes, answer her.
Okay. It was asked by Noshin, I think. Noshin, the thing is that whenever we are moving forward, of course, we are moving for a better option. Okay. So you can say them directly that I want to learn something more. I want to have new experiences. That's why I want to switch my job just to have different experiences and, of course, for a better opportunity. Of course, we want to show our skills as well to a new place, but we want to learn something more. Whenever we move forward for a better answer directly. Like, yes, I want to learn here something. I want to have new experiences here.
Thank you so much. It's very nice to listen your opinion. Thank you so much.
Okay. Nushin Khalil, if you get a job, so please give a treat as well. Okay, because you learned the answer from her.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, anyone else who want to ask me anything? Yes, Mariam Arish, you are raising
Yes,
hand.
sir, may I?
Yes.
Okay. After Athiya.
Ji. Okay,
Okay,
Athiya, yes.
sir, whenever I go for an interview and somebody asks me this question, so I always say that because I was looking for a better opportunity, and I think this organization can bring a positive change into my personality, and I can grow professionally very well here as compared to the previous system I was working for.
Okay, fine. Okay, Nushin. Okay, hi, Mariam. Yeah, it's your turn now, Mariam.
Yes, sir. Sir, I just want to ask one thing, that whenever like I'm doing masters in university in Sebas University, so we got assignments. We have to talk in particular topic spontaneously, and whenever we asked to speak spontaneously, we just ran out of words. We just got blank. So are you going to cover that aspect in that course too?
Exactly, as I mentioned earlier, that you will have to speak spontaneously in my class, in my session. Okay, I won't give you topic prior to the session. You will be given a topic in the session. However, I can give you 4 to 5 minutes. You can make some notes, you can make some points, you can make some notes, okay, which you can use in your presentation. But I won't give you any topic prior to the class. Okay, so that will serve your objectives. Firstly, that will help you to speak fluently. That will help you to gain confidence. Okay, and that will help you to retain the words which you have practiced. Got it? In the middle of the conversation, in the middle of the
Sir, I'm very looking forward your course outline, that what you had planned for us.
Inshallah,
looking forward for
you
it.
will see that. You will see it in my first session on 1st September. Okay, Alhamdulillah, I have trained multiple teachers. Okay, they got training for me. I think it's my 3rd to 4th session which I am conducting for the teachers. Okay, and Uzma, can you hear me? Uzma is here. Uzma, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Uzma, would you? Okay. She's not my student. Actually, she was. Okay. Uzma, would you like to tell me about yourself? Where are you from?
I am from Karachi, and basically I am a EC educator.
Okay, fine, perfectly fine. Okay, so guys, any other question about the course?
Sir.
Mariam,
Hello, excuse me, sir. Maria here. Yes, sir. So I want to learn for myself. I just wanted to discuss if you can add them in the course. Can you hear me properly?
Yeah, sometimes I can hear you, but sometimes your voice disappears. Yeah, anyway, continue.
Yes, actually there is some internet problem. Yes, I just wanted to increase my vocabulary. Okay, the few things that I want that if you can try to add these things, vocabulary, and there should be group activities like in which we should be involved with each other. We can make our WhatsApp group and all, and we can discuss with each other. In this way, our confidence level will be increased, and we will share ideas with each other.
Yeah, that would be so fruitful. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yes.
No.
And
yeah. Okay. Continue. Yes. Complete you. Yes. Complete your point of view.
Yes, sir. And the thing is that it's not only there should be just lecture based, but there should be activity based. So we can get more chance to give our idea, to share our ideas, to speak up, and to develop our vocabulary and fluency of language. Yes.
Perfectly fine. Exactly. 100%. Mariam Das, I totally agree with you. Actually, I execute different kind of activities that will engage you in conversation. I won't be speaking too much. You people are going to speak, okay, in the session. I won't speak too much. Okay, you will be given multiple topics. So this is a conversation based class. Okay, everyone has to speak on the topic that will be given to the students. Secondly, as
what if we got blank?
No, it happens to everyone. Don't okay. As I mentioned that you are likely to face many teaching troubles in the beginning of the conversation and the beginning of the session.
So no one is going to judge in this session, right?
Exactly.
We all are learning.
It's a convivial
Let's
and
take
learning.
a oath, please.
It's a yeah, it's a learning. It's a you can consider it's a kindergarten class going on. Okay, so you can take in that way as well. Okay. Secondly,
everybody knows we all are learners here. We are here to learn something.
Exactly. And Mariam, secondly, you will learn at least, yes, Mariam, you will learn at least 15 to 20 words on daily basis, new words. Okay, that will help you to make your English sound much better from language perspective. Okay, guys, so inshallah we will continue. I will see you on 1st September. Okay, and 10:30. Okay, and secondly, one more thing. Actually, you asked me that you would like to share your ideas, okay, on WhatsApp group. The point is that everyone has her or his own nature. Sometimes some participants don't like many messages over there WhatsApp group. Now, however, if you want me to if you want to just share your ideas, all of you guys with each other, so I can make a separate group for that. Okay, so where you can share your ideas with each other. So that will be only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We can do one thing.
Okay.
So I'll suggest you here one thing. Those participants who will join the session, who will start, because right now I can see there are hundreds of people who are in WhatsApp group, but there are only 25 participants right now here in this session. So we will see who are in the class, and we will make a separate group for them who are attending the class.
Exactly. So I will share the link. I will just form that group on 1st September after after conducting the first class. So I will give you access to that. So you can just join that group and you can have your say on that group. You can share your ideas with each other. Okay. So thank you so much. Inshallah, I will see you on 1st September. Okay. Remember me in your prayer.
Inshallah, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Allah Hafiz. Take care.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Okay.